How to add chat in Shopify. So by the end of this video, you're gonna be able to have a chat feature like this that you see here on the screen, right, for your own Shopify store. So let's get started. All right. So one of the first things you're going to want to do after you log into your Shopify account, right, to add this chat feature is you're gonna want to head to the App Store, right? And when you do, you're gonna want to look for an app called, it's not here, but if we click Shopify, the App Store, and we type it out, we could just write inbox. You're gonna want to look for this app right here called Shopify Inbox, right? It is a free app that you can use to install onto your store so that if customers have common questions and you have answer for those questions, the system will send it automatically the message, right? So as you can see here, right, it's free to download, and so what we're gonna do is install it to our store. So I think I already installed it to my own store, but we could go ahead and just open it up, and there we go. So now the online store chat, right, is set up, right, for my store, right? If I go to the online store and then I go to edit theme, I should see the circle right here, right, the chat right here. So now if I click it, right, this is what it will show. Okay, so let's go back to the app now. So if we go back to inbox, right, you could go and click here, manage settings. When you click manage settings, here is where you'll be able to customize and provide instant answers, right? So if you have customers reaching out for common questions, for example, like track my order, what's your return policy, etc., right? You could go ahead and add and create an instant order, right? So let's go ahead and do one for the example. So I have a couple of ones here. So let's just do this one. Oops, let's close this. Do I offer international shipping, right? And then my answer could be yes, right? And then yes, right? So this is how it looks, right? You get to see a preview right here of the automated message that will be sent to the customer if they have a question regarding if we offer international shipping, right? Then click save. And then we could go back. So and then from there, you'll be able to customize the chat as well, right? So like the colors and everything too, if you want. So it will take you to the theme editor where you'll be able to make these changes, right? And change the size. So if you want to change it to the right, to the left, right, then you can do that right now, or you could keep it to the right, right? And then you could change the greeting message if you want, right? But for this example, we're just gonna leave it to black and white for now. All right. So the next thing is you can actually change the pre-chat form, right? If a customer leaves the online store during a conversation, your response will be sent to the email provided, right? If they are opt-in, right, it will only send it to that. And then you can set up your available hours as well. This is really important, right? Because you want to make sure you're able to provide your customer, right, with as much information possible in regards to your store. And so that's how you add a chat system inside your store. So now let's check it out and see how it works. So if we go back, right, we can see here, right, your instant answers, right? And so do you have offer international shipping? So let's click this if I had a question on this. And there we go, right? Yes, we ship to many countries worldwide, and that's the instant answer that we're able to provide. Hopefully this will help you out. If you have any questions, right, always comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have in regarding to adding a chat inside your Shopify store. Until the next video, peace.